Now we continue the second example in the exercise 4.2. Here example number 6. Integral 0 to pi by 4 cos x upon 4 minus sin square x dx. Okay. Here it is a simple example of the substitution. Here it is a derivative of sin x, it is a cos x. Now solution: integral 0 to pi by 4 cos x upon 4 minus sin square x dx. Now here we put sin x is equal to t. Therefore cos x dx is equal to dt. Now here it is a definite integral and we use here the substitution. So first change the limits. It is a 0 to pi by 4 are the limits of for the x, but now here we change the limit, that is a function of t. Sin x is equal to t. Okay, here integral becomes in terms of the t, so change the limit. Okay, we find the values of t by using the values of x. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to, when x is equal to 0, that is a sin 0, and sin 0 is 0, that means when x is equal to 0, it is a 0, t is equal to 0. And when x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to sin pi by 4, it is a 1 by root 2, therefore t is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, originally it is a 0 to pi by 4, now here 0 to 1 by root 2. Then integral is 0 to 1 by root 2 cos x dx, it is a dt, upon 4 minus t square. Then it is a 0 to 1 by root 2 1 upon, it is a 2 square minus t square dt, special integral 1 upon a square minus x square, and it is 1 by 2a, 2 into 2 log of, it is a plus x, that is a 2 plus t upon 2 minus t, and limit it is 0 to 1 by root 2. Now here it is a 1 by 4 into log of 2 plus t. Okay, first we put the upper limit, that is 2 plus 1 by root 2 upon 2 minus 1 by root 2. Upper limit minus, put the lower limit, log of 2 plus 0 upon 2 minus 0. Okay. Then it is a 1 by 4 log of, see carefully the calculation, it is 2 root 2 plus 1 upon root 2, 2 root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, upon root 2 upon root 2 get cancelled, and here minus log of 2 by 2, it is 1. Okay, and now the last answer, it is a 1 by 4 log of 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1, and log 1, it is a 0. Okay, it is the last answer. See carefully this. Now next, example number 7, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x upon 1 plus sin x into 2 plus sin x dx. Again clearly it is a, here substitution, it is a sin x is equal to t. Okay. Now the solution, it is integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x upon 1 plus sin x into 2 plus sin x dx. Okay, here put sin x is equal to t, therefore cos x dx is equal to dt. Here it is a definite integral and it is a substitution, so change the limit. It is an important step to solve the definite integral by using the substitution. Change the limit. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to x equal to 0, okay, t is equal to 0, and when x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to 1, it is a pi by 2, that is sin pi by 2. Okay, now integral is 0 to 1. Okay, originally it is a 0 to pi by 2, here it is a 0 to 1. Cos x dx, it is a dt, therefore it is a 1 upon 1 plus t into 2 plus t dt. Okay, now you can solve this integral 1 upon 1 plus t into 2 plus t. Okay, this integral we can solve by using the three methods. Okay, first we multiply both the brackets, we get a quadratic function. By using the completing square method we can solve this. Or denominator contains two non-repeated linear factor, here we use the partial fraction, and the partial fraction, the other form, here it is a constant upon two linear factors. See carefully here, it is a constant 1 upon two linear factors, product of the two linear factors, then adjust two linear factors in the numerator. Okay, it is a partial form, but here we can directly find without finding the values of a and b. Okay, here it is a partial a upon 1 plus t plus b upon 2 plus t, and then find the value of a and b, and we put this rational function in the form of the partial form. Okay, here we can solve directly. Okay, this problem we can solve any method. Take a product, it is a quadratic function, by using the completing square method. Okay, then use the special integral, or by partial fraction, this function is equal to a upon 1 plus t plus b upon 2 plus t, and then find the value of a and b. It is a partial form. And the partial form, the another way, here we adjust this two linear factor in the numerator, 0 to 1. These two linear factors, see carefully, here it is a t, so it is a 1 plus t and it is 2 plus t. We can adjust both the linear factors. Okay, here in the numerator there is only constant, so cancel the variable, so we can use the minus. When we use minus, t get cancelled, but here 2 minus 1, here it is a minus 1, so we multiply by minus. Okay, in another way, there is an easy method, we can write second factor first, and it is a first factor in the second. It is a first and it is second. This 2 minus t minus 1 minus t. Okay, t get cancelled, and 2 minus 1, it is a 1. Okay, here we adjust both the linear factor in the numerator, and the calculation of this term, it is 1, and here it is a 1 plus t and 2 plus t. Now we separate. Integral 0 to 1, 2 plus t upon 1 plus t, 2 plus t, minus 1 plus t upon 1 plus t, and it is a 2 plus t dt. Now integral is equal to integral 0 to 1. Here 2 plus t get cancelled, we get 1 upon 1 plus t minus here 1 plus t get cancelled. We get 1 upon 2 plus t dt. Okay, here. Now this rational function in the form of the partial form. When we use the partial fraction method, denominator contains non-repeated, two non-repeated linear factor, a upon 1 plus t plus b upon 2 plus t. Then the values of a is equal to 1 and value of b it is a minus 1. Okay, here त्या method नाही करून पहा तुम्ही. Now we can integrate log of 1 plus t minus log of 2 plus t, it is an integral of this term. 1 by 1 plus t, it is a log of 1 plus t, minus 1 by 2 plus t, it is log of 2 plus t. Now here we take the limits, that is a 0 to 1. First we put the upper limit and then lower limit. Here it is a log of 1 plus 1, it is upper limit 1, minus log of 2 plus 1. Here we put first the upper limit and then minus we put lower limit. Log of 1 plus 0 minus log of 2 plus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. Now we calculate. First it is a log 2 minus log 3. It is a minus log 1 and here it is minus minus plus. It is a log 2. See carefully this. And now log 2, it is a 2 log 2 minus log 3 and it is log 1, it is a 0. Okay, and 2 log 2 means log 4 by using the property of logarithm. 2 square minus log 3. Okay, and the last answer it is, again we use the property of logarithm, log 4 by 3. It is the last answer of this question. Okay, here this integral we can solve any one method out of 3 method, completing square method, partial fraction, or this method. Okay, this is also a partial fraction. Okay, now we see next example. Example number 8, integral minus 1 to 1 upon a square into e to the power x plus b square into e to the power minus x. Okay. In the definite integral, the examples of the integral, all examples of the integrals we can already solve in the indefinite integrals. Okay, this example is also solved in indefinite integral. Okay, here it is a limits. Okay, now it is integral is equal to minus 1 to 1 upon a square e raised to x plus b square e raised to minus x. Okay, first we simplify this. Integral minus 1 to 1 upon a square e raised to x and plus here it is b square upon e raised to x. Here it is e raised to minus x, we can write b square upon e raised to x, and then integral minus 1 to 1, here the adding this e raised to x into e raised to x, here a square into e raised to 2x, that means e raised to x square plus b square and whole to the upon e raised to x, we can write in the numerator. See carefully this calculation. And now here we use the substitution, e raised to x in the multiple of dx, and e raised to x is a derivative of e raised to x, and here it is a e raised to x. Now put e raised to x is equal to t. Okay, therefore we can directly write is equal to dt. Okay, now here change the limit. When x is equal to -1, lower limit it is a -1, t is equal to e to the power -1. It is e to the power -1, that means 1 by e. And when x is equal to 1, t is equal to e. Here e to the power -1 means 1 by e. That is 1 by e to e. Then integral is 1 by e to e. It is dt upon a square t square plus b square. Now here we take common this a square, then integral becomes 1 by a square into, it is a limit 1 by e to e, 1 upon, we take a square common, so here it is a t square plus b square upon a square dt. And now it is 1 upon x square plus a square, special integral, and integral is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, and the value of a is b by a. Okay. Then the integral 1 by a square into 1 by a, it is a b by a, tan inverse x by a, it is a t upon b by a. And here it is a limit 1 by e to e. Then calculate, it is a get cancelled, it is 1 by a into b into tan inverse of at upon b, and limit 1 by e to e. See carefully this calculation. Now upper limit minus lower limit, t replaced by e, and it is a t replaced by 1 by e. Here 1 by a into b as it is, tan inverse of ae upon b, tan inverse of ae upon b, minus tan inverse of a into 1 by e upon b. Okay, and then the last answer 1 by a into b, tan inverse of ae upon b minus tan inverse of a upon b. Here it is the last answer, a, and it is e becomes in a denominator a upon b. 1 by a into b, tan inverse of a e upon b minus tan inverse of a by b. It is the last answer of this question. See carefully this. Next example. The example number 9. Integral 0 to pi 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x dx. Here again this integral in the type, that is 1 upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x. Solution method is put tan x by 2 is equal to t, tan x by 2 is equal to t, dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, and here sin x and cos x, the value of sin x it is a 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos x it is a 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. 0 to pi 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x dx. Now here put tan x by 2 is equal to t, therefore dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, and sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, now put the all values in this integral, but here first change the limit. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, that is a 0 by 2 0, tan 0 it is a 0, and when x is equal to pi, t is equal to, here it is a pi by 2, and tan pi by 2 it is a infinity. Okay, here for the infinity. Now first we solve the example. Okay, here it is a 0 to infinity. Now we solve this example. Here integral is equal to 0 to infinity, it is a 2 dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon 3 plus 2 into 2t upon 1 plus t square, value of the sin x, plus 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now calculate this. Integral 0 to infinity, it is a 2 dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon, here 1 plus t square multiply by this, therefore it is a 3 plus 3t square multiply 1 plus t square into 3, 2 into 4, it is a 2 into 2t, that is 4t, and plus 1 minus t square and whole to the upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. Here it is a 0 to infinity 2 dt upon 3t square minus t square, it is a 2t square plus 4t and plus 4. Okay, see carefully here. 3t square minus t square, it is a 2t square, it is a 4t, and 3 plus 1, it is 4. Now it is a 1 upon quadratic function, we can take common 2 in the denominator, therefore in the numerator 2 will be outside and common 2 in the denominator, 0 to infinity, therefore 1 upon t square plus 2t and plus 2 dt. Now here 2 get cancelled. Integral 0 to infinity 1 upon, here t square plus 2t, then here coefficient of 2, sorry, it is coefficient of t, it is a 2, half of t, it is 1, and then square of 1, it is 1, minus 1, and it is a plus 2 dt. And now it is integral 0 to infinity 1 upon t plus 1 whole square, it is a plus 1, okay, and then it is a dt. Now here 1 upon x square plus a square, that is 1 upon x square plus a square, integral of 1 upon x square plus a square, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, and it is a limit 0 to infinity. See carefully, it is 1 by 1 1, then put upper limit, that is tan inverse of infinity plus 1 minus tan inverse of, here 0 plus 1 upon 1 cannot be written, okay, and now here tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 1, and tan inverse of infinity, it is a pi by 2 and minus pi by 4, and then the last answer, it is pi by 2 minus pi by 4, 90 minus 45, it is a 45, pi by 4. See carefully this, okay, see carefully. Now the next example, 10th example, integral 0 to pi by 4 sec to the power 4x dx, 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now here it is an integral 0 to pi by 4 sec to the power 4 x dx. Okay, here sec to the power 4, not a standard integral. Here we convert, it is a sec to the power 4, it is a sec square into sec square. Integral 0 to pi by 4, here sec square x into sec square x dx. Okay, now in the multiple of dx there is a sec square, and sec square is a derivative of tan x. So convert this sec square x into tan square x. It is a 0 to pi by 4, and sec square x means sec square means it is a 1 plus tan square x, or tan square x plus 1 into sec square x dx. And now here put tan x is equal to t, and derivative of tan x, it is a sec square x. Now here put tan x is equal to t, and therefore it is a sec square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now here is a substitution. So first change the limit. When x is equal to 0, t is also 0, and when x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, it is a tan 0, 0, therefore t is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 4, it is a tan pi by 4, and tan pi by 4 it is 1, therefore t is equal to 1. Now our limit is it is 0 to 1, then integral becomes 0 to 1 plus t square into dt. And now we solve this integral, that is 1 plus t square. Okay, and the integral of 1, it is a t, and integral of t square, it is a t cube upon 3, and limit 0 to 1. Okay, then first put the upper limit, that is a 1 plus 1 cube by 3 minus 0 plus 0 by 3. It will be 0, and then here 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, that means 4 by 3. The addition, it is a 4 by 3. It is a 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, it is a 4, and it is a 4 by 3, and it is 0. Okay, here it is the last answer of this question. See carefully this.